We took the 14 C-bombs from earlier in this video, combined them into one mega C-bomb, and it's currently on an RC boat heading directly to blow up your yacht. This explosion is going to be massive.